Welcome to Honors Geometry, Lesson 7.7, Solving Right Triangles, where you will be giving a right triangle. You know it is because it's a right angle. You'll be given either two sides or a side and an angle, and you got to find all the rest of the parts. Here, let's put that in writing so you can write it down. Alright, I will let you write that down. And I'm going to move on, so you should have paused it. Sorry you didn't. Goodbye. Alright, here you're given one angle and one side, including the right angle also. And you need to find this angle here and these two sides, this side and that side. So finding the angle, really easy. The two acute angles of a right triangle are complementary, so just subtract 20 from 90. Angle A is 70 degrees. Alright, you still have to find the two missing sides. We'll use Y here because it's vertical, and X here because it's horizontal, you know, x-axis, y-axis kind of thing going on there. 15, looking at this 20-degree angle, the 15 is the hypotenuse. So which two trig ratios deal with hypotenuse? That's right, sine and cosine. So the sine of 20 degrees equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. Cross multiply and you have 15 sine of 20 equals y. And then using cosine, the cosine of that 20-degree angle equals x, the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Cross multiply, 15 cosine of 20 equals x. Hold on a minute. So y is 5.1 and x is 14.1. And that's how you solve a right triangle. Let's try another one, this time with two sides. Alright, this time you're given two sides of a triangle and the right angle, and you need to find both angles and find the hypotenuse. I think this time finding the hypotenuse is the easiest thing to do. We'll use C for the hypotenuse, so C squared equals 8 squared plus 14 squared. C squared equals 64 plus 196. C squared equals 260. Take the square root of both sides, and C does equal 16.1. And now we still have to find both angles. We found the side, let's find the angles. All we have to do is find one angle and then subtract from 90 to find the other angle. I'm going to look at P. 8 is opposite, 14 is adjacent. That would be the tangent ratio. So the tangent of angle P equals 8 over 14. Okay, to find the measurement angle, use the inverse function. So the tan inverse of 8 over 14, or 8 divided by 14, that will equal P. Put that in your calculator, and I do believe that you get 29.7. And then subtract that from 90 degrees, and M would be 60.3 degrees. That's how you solve a right triangle. Find all the missing parts. This does conclude Lesson 7.7, Solving Right Triangles.